choose a slot to use for this game. Getting Polly to say silly sentences is fun. Why not try the talking parrot game? Feed Polly. Peppa and George love to feed Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 20 correct crackers you feed Polly.
Polly wants 5 red crackers.
Oops, wrong cracker. Try again.
Polly wants a yellow cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 red crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 4 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants a red cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants a red cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 red crackers. Polly wants more.
Keep going. You've almost won a sticker.
Polly wants 3 yellow crackers.
Well done. You've won a sticker.
Polly wants more. Polly wants 3 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants a red cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants a yellow cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 3 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 red crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 4 red crackers.
Keep going. You've almost won a sticker. Well done. You've won a sticker.
Polly wants more. Polly wants a yellow cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 red crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants a yellow cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 red crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 red crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 3 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 3 red crackers.
Keep going. You've almost won a sticker.
Polly Polly wants more. Polly wants 3 yellow crackers.
Well done. You've won a sticker. Are you sure? Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Matching pairs. Peppa and George love to play matching pairs. Match all the pairs to win a sticker. Touch the cards to make a pair. Richard Rabbit, Mrs. Duck. Peppa Pig, Richard Rabbit. Richard Rabbit. Great! Rocket Ship, Susie Sheep. Mrs. Duck. Super! Susie Sheep. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. That's it! Zoe Zebra. Super! Rocket Ship, Susie Sheep. Rocket Ship. That's it! Susie Sheep. Great! Well done. You've won a sticker. Well done. You matched all the pairs. There are lots of fun games to play here. Stickers. Make a lovely picture with the stickers you've won. What a smashing picture! That looks lovely. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Dot to dot. Peppa and George love to play dot to dot. You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. Touch the flashing stars with your finger to complete the picture. Well done! You've won a sticker. There are lots of fun games to play. Talking Parrot. Peppa and George love to play with Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every. Press the squares to make a silly sentence and then touch the tick box. Polly Parrot will repeat everything that she hears. Peppa Pig is a red frog.
Peppa Pig is a red frog.
Try another one. Mummy Pig is a happy banana.
Mummy Pig is a happy banana.
Try another one. Daddy Pig is a big car.
Daddy Pig is a big car.
Try another one. Rebecca Rabbit is a silly monkey.
Rebecca Rabbit is a silly monkey.
Try another one. Pedro Pony is a red pig.
Pedro Pony is a red pig.
Try another one. George is a funny yo-yo.
George is a funny yo-yo.
Try another one. Rebecca Rabbit is a silly chicken.
Rebecca Rabbit is a silly chicken.
Try another one. Rebecca Rabbit is a silly chicken.
Rebecca Rabbit is a silly chicken.
Try another one. Keep going, you've almost won a sticker. Rebecca Rabbit is a silly chicken.
Rebecca Rabbit is a silly chicken.
Try another one. Rebecca Rabbit is a, are you sure? Silly. There are lots of fun games to play here.